Hello friend, in this video lecture I'm going to prove that cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta equal to sec 2 theta minus tan 2 theta. So let's see the answer. So going to take the LHS left hand side. So here cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta. Now here if you get terms like this, so you can multiply, or you can first see the denominator. So here denominator is the cos theta plus sin theta, so we can multiply cos theta minus sin theta in the open term. So here write cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta. So multiplying, so if I do the cancel, there is no any effect on this. Now hereafter, so here you can see cos theta minus sin theta, both are same on the numerator. So right here cos theta minus sin theta whole square. Now here it is the form of a plus b, a minus b. So suppose I assume this one a, and here b is there, sorry, plus there. Now assume this b, here minus. So a plus b, a minus b. The formula called a square minus b square. So we can write here cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now there is the formula for cos theta is the cos square theta minus sin square theta is the formula. So in place of this we can write cos 2 theta. Now suppose this is the a, here this is the b. Now b in between minus is there, so a minus b whole square, that required. So you already know this formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now we can write cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 a into b. We can write sin theta into cos theta. So the formula of cos square theta plus sin square theta is the 1. Is the 1 value. Now in place of this we can write 1. Now here you already know sin 2a equal to 2 sin a into cos a. So theta is there, 2 sin theta into cos theta, we can write sin 2 theta. Now here cos 2 theta, so making the relation this with 1 and this one with sin 2. So here it becomes cos 1 by cos 2 theta minus sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. Now you know that 1 by cos theta equal to sec theta. So here we can write sec, here 2 theta is there, 2 theta, right. Sin by cos we can write tan, and 2 is there, so we can write tan 2 theta. So here this is our requirement, finally I got. So here we can write LHS equal to RHS equal to sec 2 theta minus tan theta proved. So this is the way we can solve this kind of question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.